This video will show how a dash cam with built-in radar parking monitoring works. When the car is fully power on, the dash cam is in continuous recording mode. Now, when you turn off the car completely, the dash cam will power down and enter parking monitoring mode. When the red light comes on, it indicates that the radar sensor is now active. At that moment, a moving object appeared in front of the car, but since it was quite far away, the radar was not triggered. When a moving object enters the radar's detection range, the radar activates the dash cam, causing it to turn on and begin recording. The moving object passed by on the right, so it was also captured by the right cam.